Ensign wasps are pests that occasionally invade indoors and cause a disturbance. These wasps are beneficial insects as they are parasitoid and lay their eggs in cockroach egg sacs. However, frequent sightings of ensign wasps indoors can be a nuisance to deal with and may be indicative of a larger roach infestation. So, in this video, we'll show you how to identify and control ensign wasps around your property by addressing their prey and using exclusion methods. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about ensign wasps, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. No, they're really not crickets, even if they look strikingly similar. Ensign wasps are small, winged insects that grow to a length of 5 to 7 millimeters. They are black in body color, and their unique abdomens give them a more stout appearance from other wasp species. Their hind legs are much longer than the other pairs, which lends to the more cricket-like appearance. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or find hotspots of activity. If you frequently see ensign wasps inside your home, then that may be indicative of a cockroach infestation indoors or outdoors, since these wasps lay their eggs in cockroach egg cases. They'll travel throughout areas where roaches are likely to be found, like the kitchen, pantry, bathroom, attic, around plumbing fixtures, and near vents. Outdoors, you may find them around entryways, utility penetrations, or other cracks, crevices, and voids around the structure. Female ensign wasps are often hunting for roach egg cases to lay their own eggs inside of, so look for moist areas where cockroaches are likely to be found. After identifying your pest and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. Remember, ensign wasps are beneficial insects since they help control roach populations, so the control of these wasps focuses on getting rid of cockroaches. First, sanitize your home and get rid of any cockroach food sources. Clean and remove any left out food or water, including any pet food or water bowls. Sweep and vacuum the floors, then wipe down surfaces with warm water to remove any grime. Once your home is free of any competing food sources, apply a bait like Apex cockroach gel bait. This bait is made with cockroach attractants and imidacloprid. Apex also supports a systemic elimination plan. Roaches that feed on this bait don't die immediately, so they can travel back to their nests to spread the poison further, and they won't develop bait shyness. To use Apex, just apply 3 drops per square yard to control small roaches like German cockroaches, or 5 drops per square yard for large roaches like the American cockroach. Next, we recommend you conduct a perimeter application of a repelling insecticide like Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a liquid concentrate made with bifenthrin, so it will need to be mixed with water before application. You'll mix half a fluid ounce per 1 gallon of water, according to the label's instructions. Apply your insecticide solution as a perimeter treatment around your structure's foundation. Create a barrier by spraying 3 feet up the structure and 3 feet out. Next, treat the entry points you noted earlier in your inspection. Be sure to spray around entryways, openings created by utility pipes, the garage door, and any other openings you may have found. Also, since adult ensign wasps feed on honeydew produced by aphids, spray any ornamental plants, trees, or shrubbery on your property. When this product dries, it will leave a residual that will continue to control treated areas and repel pests for up to 90 days. Any labeled pests that make contact with the spray or its residual will have their nervous systems impacted and die within an hour. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you've applied products, the best way to stop pest activity is to make sure it can't happen. After you've treated for ensign wasps, take some additional measures to ensure they stop invading your home. Continue to maintain regular cleaning in and around your structure. As long as cockroaches don't have access to any food sources, they won't be around to infest your property. Seal any cracks and crevices in and around your home structure to prevent any pests, including roaches and ensign wasps, from getting inside. Thin cracks can be sealed with caulk, while wider crevices and voids should be stuffed with copper mesh. Lastly, keep up with the regular perimeter and ornamental application of Supreme IT. This repelling insecticide will last for up to 90 days, so we recommend you make applications once every 3 months. Ensign wasps are beneficial insects that prey on cockroach eggs, but when populations get out of hand, they can become frequent nuisances by invading indoors where they don't belong. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop Ensign Wasps from invading your home, and we offer fast and free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.